Hi guys, thanks for checking out another TM Hair Products video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I bring my curls back to life in this lace front wig. This is not a very high quality lace front wig, and I didn't want to bring you guys a very high quality lace front wig. I wanted to bring you something more price friendly, and I just want to show you how I make my curls pop with this wig. This wig is about a year old. I've had it for a long time. And I'm just going to show you guys how I do it. Okay, so first thing I'm going to need obviously is water. So I'm going to spray water on it. And I love this spray bottle. And for those of you who have been enjoying your spray bottles, thank you for your support. Now, I'm not particularly fond of this wig, to be honest, but because I paid for it, I'm gonna wear it because it sheds like crazy. But I'm gonna show you guys. You see that? Now, I'm not gonna use any mousse or anything like that. This wig has a lot of little flyaways, and I'm going to show you how I tame all of that. And I love this spray bottle. As you can see how many times I've sprayed my hair, and my hair would normally be saturated, but because the mist is so fine, so as you can see, my curls are coming in. So I'm not going to heavily saturate my hair. Now, as you know, with curly hair, it will swell up on you in a minute. So what I'm going to do is I want to make sure my ends are good, and I'm not going to heavily saturate it. And I'm sorry if you hear kids. This is we're on summer vacation, so you may hear children talking in the background. Okay, now this is the look that I am going for, this wet look. Now I'm going to show you how I keep my hair looking like this without it being hard, crunchy. You know, let me comb some of it back out still. Y'all, this is not the best wig. This wig, oh, I've worn body wave hair, but I haven't worn curly hair just in a long time other than this wig. So it's kind of put not the best taste in my mouth for wigs. But anyway, I'm going to be using the Perfect Assist Styling Aid. Now, I told y'all I use the Perfect Assist Styling Aid for everything except silk press, and I am not going to use a lot. The Perfect Assist Styling Aid is a moisturizer, so not only is it going to moisturize my hair, but it's going to, I'm sorry, that was a piece of hair from the wig, but it's going to, it adds a nice hold to my hair as well. And I'm just going to work it in there. And it's going to hold my hair like this. I want to focus on the ends because I don't want the ends to really puff up, swell up. So I'm using a very small amount. I'm going to show you how I tame my little flyaways. I just take a little bit of the styling aid. And y'all, I'm trying to see it in the viewfinder. I don't have my mirror. And I just rub that down. And I comb through it. And the styling aid is going to absorb into the hair. It doesn't stay white, but so if you wanted a little more volume, you'd add less water. But this is, and if you have a one of those, I think diffusers, you can use that. But my hair is not very wet. It's more damp, and this is the look I want to keep it. So I want to keep I want my hair to stay like this with the wet look. So this is how I do it with the styling aid, and it gives the hair a very nice luster. So that's what I want. And now this wig, you guys, I did not bleach the knots. I did not bleach the knots. I did pluck the front, so, but I combed it to the side, which makes it look fuller. But this is not like my wig. This is just something that I wanted to show you guys. I'm trying to see in the little viewfinder, so I just took like literally that much, because I don't want my hair really weighed down, but I just want to lay down the little flyaways. And this is the look, you guys. So I might work on this little part in the front a little more. Have that standing up a little more. This is how I achieve this wet look, and I might pop in a little later. My hair is not, like I said, my hair is not wet. It's more, I don't know, it's a little less than damp. It's not wet, but the styling aid is going to keep it like this with this wet look. So I just want to show you guys that I am wearing the most extraordinary lashes. Guys, I just want to say thank you for the support that you have shown TM Hair Products. Thank you for those of you who like the spray bottles. Thank you for your support. I do have a few left, and I do have the clips, the crop clips left. I'm short on the red ones, but I do have the blue, the purple, and the yellow. I do have some of those left, but I'm running short on the red ones. So if you guys have any questions, if you are wondering like, what are you talking about with the spray bottles and the crop clips, I'll link that video in the description, or I'll put an iCard up here or up here somewhere. So these are the spray bottles. I love these spray bottles to death. Okay guys, it has been like 9 hours since I did the first part of the video, and this is what my hair is looking like. And I don't know if I told you guys, this is a very inexpensive lace front wig. I did not bleach the knots. I did pluck the scalp, but when I glued it down, I laid the hairs at an angle so it looks a little thicker. But if I pull the hairs back, you can tell that the wig has been plucked. I did not over pluck it because this wig sheds so much. So if I wanted to get a little more wear out of it, I knew I wouldn't have been able to really pluck the hairline like I wanted to, because the hair already sheds anyway, so it would take away some of the longevity of the wig. But that's neither here nor there. I'm just showing you guys my my hair after like 8-9 hours, and this has been riding with the car windows down, the wind blowing, playing in my hair. It's still very soft because I did not put a lot of the styling aid in my hair. It's still very soft. It still has a natural kind of curl to it, as you can see. So I just wanted to show you guys and come back and show you guys the end. It's not very puffy. Now if I wanted it to hold hold that wet look really hard, I would have put more styling aid so it would have had a stronger hold. I didn't really want a strong hold. I just didn't want it to be frizzy and all over the place. And you guys know how curly hair can volumize when it's hot or it's humid or whatever, but it did not. My flyaways laid down pretty good. If you're a person who likes to wear wash and goes, the styling aid is great for wash and goes. I put a very minimal amount of styling aid. You guys seen that in a previous clip of the video that I put a small amount of the styling aid on my hair to hold it. But if you like wash and goes and you wear wash and goes, the styling aid is great for wash and goes. And also, if you wear wash and goes, you can reactivate the styling aid. So let's say you had a wash and go today. Okay, let's say I'm wearing this hair today. Tomorrow, if I don't want to put any more product in my hair, all I have to do is re-wet it and scrunch it with my hand, and it'll reactivate the styling aid. So this has been me doing this all day, filling my hair, riding with the car window down, you know, all of that. And my hair is still not very frizzy. It still is holding the curl very well on my hair. My hair is not swollen and puffy, as we know curly hair can get very voluminous, and it's not. So it's still holding the curls very well. So I just wanted to come and tell you guys that it's not hard at all, and this is still holding together with me doing this all day, with me riding with the car windows down, with the wind blowing. This is what I hate, with the wind blowing all, you know, in my face. So I just want to really come and show you guys and give you guys a full day of how this holds up. Not so much a review on the wig, but I just wanted to show you guys what the styling aid does when you use it on your curly wigs, or if you have naturally curly hair and you want a soft hold, but you still want, like, it's very, I can move it. It's very soft. I wish you guys can touch it. My hair's still very soft. And I didn't want to use any type of mousse or anything, and I don't, because I don't like my hair weighed down. My natural hair, my wigs, my weaves, whatever, I don't like my hair weighed down. And I also use a styling aid under my wig to keep my natural hair moisturized, but I just don't use a lot of it because the styling aid is not very greasy. So you can use a small amount on your hair to keep your hair underneath your wigs moisturized, so that when you take your wigs off or your braids out, your hair is not very hard and dry and brittle, which causes hair loss, which causes hair breakage. So you can retain as much of the length as possible while you're wearing protective style. So that is it, you guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.